Alright, so then.
Horace Williams Airport.
Automated weather observation 2041 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 06 Celsius. Altimeter 3028. Remarks. Density altitude 800.
Okay.
Horace Williams Airport.
Horace Williams Airport. Alright. Brakes work.
North 1.2. 1700 feet, make a left traffic 23.
Okay. Makes everything's good. That goes up, that goes down, up, down, left, right. It's at 0 on the horizon within 75 feet. That's at 0. That's right up there. It's level. Okay, so then fuel quantity is good. Make sure full rich. Follow 1700. That's good, good, right, both, left, both, carpet, both are off, idle.
This is carbureted.
Yep, the older ones are carbureted.
Yep, yep.
Alright, landing light on, make sure full rich, trim it at takeoff. Chapel Hill traffic, Cessna 738 Bravo Golf, taking off runway 27, departure to the west, along the airport, Chapel Hill.
Like that.
And change the traffic, 2-minute call, jumpers 11,000 below.
Have you ever flown out of here?
With my grandpa before, but it's been a while.
Okay. Bucks down to 10. And good, release. Airspeed's alive. Rotate.
And Triangle North traffic, 139 Mike Echo is going to be turning left base momentarily. Touch and go, 23, Triangle North.
About 300. Something this 172 has that I've never seen a 172 have is rudder trim.
I've never seen that before either. I haven't seen something like the fuel
The fuel selector?
No, I think wait, 172s usually don't have left and right, do they?
I mean, they all have left and right.
Okay.
What this 172 has that the Warrior doesn't have is both.
Right, right.
Because it's gravity selected. Like, if you notice,
Yeah,
if I put the rudder trim to neutral, you'll see the ball, well, yeah, it goes to the left a little bit. Yeah, right there. So you have to compensate, and then that puts it right in the middle.
Burlington Alamance Regional Airport, Burlington, North Carolina. Automated weather observation 2050 Zulu.
What lake is below us?
090 at 05.
What were you saying?
And we had
What lake is
6,000
below
and
us?
11,000 over.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but
What lake is below us?
oh,
And we'll be looking for him 139 Mike Echo.
Oh, yeah.
it doesn't say so on the chart.
Oh, okay.
I have no idea, sorry.
It's okay. I was just curious.
So if the winds are 090, then we'll land on runway 6.
Okay.
Triangle north.
We're about to pass over a private grass strip called Dutchie,
Oh. That's cool.
but be at 40s out there. And we should be pretty much aiming right at, oh, whoa, that's another airplane.
Yep, that's another airplane.
It's a biplane.
Base, Triangle north, 139 Mike Echo, simulate emergency landing, simulated, runway 23.
What?
Stop, Triangle north.
That's awesome.
Yeah, he's going fast.
Yeah.
Triangle traffic, Triangle 1, we're on extended left base for 23 traffic.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 738 Bravo Golf is 10 miles to the southeast. Going to cross over the field, left downwind to 6, Burlington.
Burlington traffic, Global 61 Bravo Foxtrot has established ILS at Yankee runway 6, full stop Burlington.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 8 Bravo Golf is 6 miles southeast at 2,500. We'll be crossing over the field left downwind, runway 6, Burlington. They got a jet coming in on one runway, but they're on the ILS, so they'll beat us there. They're a freaking jet. Sounds like Global Express.
Wow. They extended the runway there a few years ago to accommodate more of the jets coming in.
Yeah, I mean, Burlington's it's a functioning freaking airport.
Yeah. Burlington is a great little general aviation airport. It's just a little far.
Oh, yeah, and for all the runway they don't have much apron space.
Apron space.
Like, they don't have many hangars.
Ah, I see. Yeah, they don't. They really don't.
You should come to Manassas Airport where I train.
Where's that?
It's in Virginia.
What's there?
It's big. Like, I train at a place it's like Horace Williams is tiny compared to where I trained at, 60.
It's not Charlie, is it?
Huh?
It's not Class Charlie, is it?
It's Class Delta.
Class Delta, okay.
But it's like inside, it's underneath like Class Bravo airspace for Dulles.
Yep.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 8 Bravo Golf is 2 miles southeast, descending out of 2,500, crossing over the field left downwind runway 6, Burlington. And we'll extend downwind if we need to for the Global.
Yeah, 1 Bravo Foxtrot, we're about 4 mile final now for runway 6, 2,000 feet descending.
Have you in sight, Burlington? I can see him out there. He's just at the horizon now. He's like at our 10 o'clock. Now he's now he's on the trees.
Okay.
He's like a little grayish speck. I've lost him now, but I see him. Look at the smoke in the trees, then look directly to the left.
Oh, I see.
And he's right down there.
Wow, that's a big jet.
Yeah, he's coming in fast.
I can't even see him.
Yeah. Right there.
Look to the 8 o'clock of the smoke, and you'll see him.
I don't see the smoke. I think I just lost.
You'll see him pretty soon.
Yeah, look. You don't see it. He's like at our 10 o'clock now. He's like shining in the light over the trees.
Right over to the left of the lake.
Yeah, look at the lake. Then look. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I was looking way too close. I see him. That is a big plane.
Burlington traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, crossing over the field. Left down on runway 6, Burlington. Alright, landing lights on, mixture's full rich. That's good. Seat belts are good. Yeah, that is a big jet. Put the nose trim back to 0, there he is. And right on the 1,000-foot marks. Nice. And we're beaming the runway, so power to 1500. Want to get the white arc, 1 notch of flaps, and we'll start descending.
Burlington traffic, Global 1 Bravo Foxtrot will be clearing the active on Foxtrot for the ramp. Burlington.
Burlington traffic, number 135, Charlie Juliet, will be a 2-4 departure left turn out to the south. Burlington traffic.
Burlington traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, turning left base for runway 6, Burlington. Notches of flaps. I don't see anybody on final.
Nope, you're clear.
Oh my gosh, it's just it's so much less stressful than Horace Williams in terms of trees and everything. Just open space. Burlington traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, turning final, runway 6, Burlington. And we're a bit high, but
yeah,
this thing has 40 degrees of freaking flaps.
There goes that helicopter.
Oh yeah.
Nicely done.
Thank you. See if we can make this one.
Wait, they stored over here?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, that's where our car is, so.
Ah. I thought Elon Aviation was over there.
The office is over there. Yeah, we'll go over there to pay, but this is where they keep the plane.
Wow.
Burlington traffic, 8 Bravo Golf, clear the runway at Burlington. Alright, flaps up, cool. Carpet off, landing light off, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have to take off.
Burlington, or Elon Aviation's doing very well. There's the, Archer.
Yeah, that was the airplane that was supposed to fly last week.
Really?
But then it got winded out, so.
I like that Archer a lot.
I like their Warrior better because it has a much higher useful load.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
The Archer has 180 horsepower, so a bigger engine. It's like 200 pounds heavier empty weight.
Okay. What does the Warrior have?
160 horsepower.
Okay.